Gawa tayo ng 3.5 liters worth of apple juice. Ito, puno to kanina. Kinuhaan namin ni Kulta, uminom kami. So, these are my apple juice. Organic. Walang halo yan. Pure apple. So, guys, nag-harvest na naman ako ng apple. Here, as you can see, I'm washing the apples that I pick up from the apple tree in our yard, and I'm slowly cutting it into 4 pieces because I'm making an apple juice today. I decided to make an apple juice because there's a lot of apples that was falling in the tree, and it's a waste. And watch me how I cut the apples. Cut the first batch, and there's still more.
Let's see if there's anything left.
Okay, so yan ang last na apple juice.